Yeah, I don't think using the GoPro in the dark was a good thing for the sound of it. So fired up. Oh yeah, hold it right. Oh yeah, the kickstand's down. Yeah, it's a muggy day with a lot of fucking mosquitoes, so I didn't want to ride my e-bike or any bike today. So I was just checking on my bikes, firing them up and everything. So now I'm gonna go back in my air-conditioned place and enjoy being out of the mosquitoes, because tonight they are nasty, nasty, nasty. And it's muggy, beautiful but muggy. You know. Yeah, hope everybody's having a good day. That's enough. This is why you check your tires when they change them, because the tire says 40 and this is what's in it. So 30 pounds. So we will put it up to 40. And we'll watch her climb. Yeah, my front tire takes 41. It's gonna take a minute though. Alright, leave you there.